thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. South winds 5 to 20. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Mills, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Lake Mills, Johnson Creek, and Milford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.